After resetting your Samsung phone, are you stuck on the Google account verification screen? That's Samsung's Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. And without the previously synced Google account, you won't be able to access your device. Many people think they can simply download an FRP bypass app, but that's not possible because the Play Store is locked too. So here's what you can do instead. The harsh truth is that there are no legitimate apps available on the Google Play Store that can unlock a locked FRP device. The danger lies in many websites advertising apps to unlock FRP for download. These APK files are often outdated, invalid, or even contain malware and viruses that could further damage your device. So stay away. The safest and most reliable way to deal with an FRP lock is through Google's official account recovery process. Using another phone or computer, visit the Google account recovery page and select Forgot Password. Then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity using your recovery email, phone number, or a verification code. Keep in mind that, for security reasons, Google may require a waiting period of up to 24 to 72 hours after you recover your account before certain security restrictions are lifted. If you're locked out of your own Samsung device and don't want to waste hours trying random methods online, DroidKit offers a simpler way. With DroidKit's FRP bypass feature, you can remove Google account verification on Samsung devices. It supports Android versions from 6 to 16. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Firstly, install DroidKit on your computer, then open it and select FRP bypass. Now connect your Samsung phone with a USB cable. Then DroidKit will detect your model, or you can select from the list. After that, select Android 16. Then click Next and DroidKit starts reading device information. Now hit the Start button and your configuration file starts downloading. After that, follow the one-screen steps and hit Start to bypass. Then after some time, you'll see Bypass Completed screen and your FRP is removed from your device. Google's official recovery method is the safest option, but if it doesn't work for your situation, tools like DroidKit can be a faster alternative. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorials.